C for Chaitanya.
D for Damodar.
E for eternal.
F for flower.
G for Gita.
H for Hari.
I for Indra.
J for Jagannath.
K for Krishna.
L for Lalita.
M for Madhav.
N for Nandanandan.
O for Airavat.
P for Puri.
Q for Queen Rukmini.
R for Radha.
S for Subhadra.
T for Tilak.
U for Upendra.
V for Vrindavan.
W for weapons.
X for xylophone.
Y for Yashoda.
Z for zero.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare